Good morning. I'm trying to plan out my week, but somebody doesn't want me to. He wants me to pet him instead. Yeah. Oh, Miko.
Hi, good morning. I look wild. I feel wild. Yeah, happy Monday. I have gone through my planner and got that all set up, which is nice feeling. I love using my planner. I finally found one that like works with my brain, and I've been using this layout for 3 years now. And it just really helps. I just love this column to brain dump all the things I want to try to get done and the different sections I have. I'm a list maker. So yeah, this morning I do this thing on Mondays called like Weekend Tidy. And I just spend, I don't know, 20 minutes picking up shoes and putting them in the closet and coats and whatever kind of just gets lumped in the chair or on the counter that, actually needs to be put away. So I did that this morning. I had a few loose dishes to do, so that feels like my house is ready for a reset. But I have kind of a lot of laundry I want to get done. I want to wash our sheets and the blankets on the couch and like all of that stuff, because just with the cat hair, it piles up. So that is on the list and something I want to try to do today. I'm going to make fajitas for dinner. I actually am. So I have all those ingredients kind of pulled out on my counter and the chicken is thawing. That is the game plan for today. And we'll see what else exciting news I have for you, but I probably won't check in until after work. I have a pretty busy afternoon today.
Hi friends, it's about 4:30. I'm done with work and I have an entire laundry basket I need to put away. So I'm going to put on a Vlogmas video from something from my Watch Later playlist and get going on this. Okay, the fajitas were really good. I am about to go take a nice hot shower, get this hair situated. Yeah, so that's gonna be my plan. I'm going to do like a nice hot shower and then probably watch a movie tonight. I don't know, nothing too crazy. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It is 8 o'clock and I am going to the grocery store to get my errands done. I love going to the grocery store in the early morning like this when everybody else is maybe like on their way to work. It's always quiet and I can just like get in and out really fast, which I appreciate. Today for groceries though, I don't need like a ton. So I'm just going to pick up kind of what I need for the week. And I also need to pick up some baking supplies. I want to bake cookies, and just the supplies I've had in the house are pretty old at this point. So, want to kind of freshen that up a little bit. But yeah, that's going to be the plan. And then we will get started with work and all that. I didn't end up doing my sheets yesterday. So I need to wash those today, but I did get all of the other laundry done. So I'm okay with just having one kind of load left, I guess, or probably two actually with the blankets and all of that. After I went to the grocery store this morning, I came home and I took a little clip of everything I got. I thought I would share it. So my total was $129.19, which actually for what I got, I feel like is pretty good. I got a lot of canned items this time. So
A lot of soups, like canned SpaghettiOs, some different beans, some different canned vegetables. I also got some pasta, and I got just 2 pounds of ground beef for dinner tonight. But yeah, a lot of, oh, and then I also got a lot of baking supplies. I was saying earlier that was on my list because I want to do some baking, and I just needed to replace what we had on hand. I also got some coffee, and I also got a casserole dish because we didn't have one, which is weird. And also some Tupperware. Our last Tupperware were like peeling and cracked and falling apart. So I just decided I was going to replace them because they're pretty cheap to do so, and we'd have them for a couple of years. So yeah, that is what I ended up getting. And yeah, $129.19. I feel pretty good about that total amount for the trip itself. So going to update my finance spreadsheet so that I know how much I've spent out of my grocery budget. Hi guys, it is 2:15. I've been working all day, pretty busy. I'm going to put all of the sheets in the wash finally so that they'll be done, and I'll have time to do the blankets and all of that afterwards. I have quite a few to do, so I need to get going on that. But yeah, just a busy work week. This is the last kind of like full week, and then next week being Christmas, and the week after that, in between the Christmas and New Year, this is the week that everybody wants to like schedule a last minute meeting, it seems like. So yeah, lots going on, but all good. And tonight I'm going to make a like casserole. The recipe says it's a shortcut shepherd's pie, but we'll see how it actually turns out. I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll be good, but I think it'll be closer to like tater tot hot dish than shepherd's pie. So we'll see how that works out. All right, guys, I am about 15 minutes between like the meeting that just ended and the meeting that's about to start. So I'm going to quickly run downstairs. My like wash load is done. I'm going to put the sheets in the dryer, put the other blankets in the wash. So switch that over. And I did film a video over lunch today. So I have it in my personal computer, and I'm kind of like trying to edit that quickly so I can maybe export and upload tonight. But, you know, we're moving and shaking. We are getting there. Happy Wednesday. I know that this week has been very quiet for this vlog, Monday, Tuesday, but today I have like 2 meetings on my schedule. I mean, I have things I need to finally get caught up on, but I am feeling like my shoulders can drop a little bit. My boyfriend was up super early to go to the airport, and I guess he had a little bit of a delay. It's gray outside, but I can't tell if it's actually snowing or not, or if it's just blowing, or if it's just cloudy. I don't know what's going on, but it's definitely gray and dark outside. Today, I would like to film a couple of videos. I want to wrap my Christmas gifts that I have so far, and then kind of take inventory of what I still need to get. Sorry, I'm like yelling over my kettle. I should have really waited. Time for lunch. I'm having leftover fajitas today. Okay, you guys, the time has come. I need to wrap my Christmas presents, and my boyfriend is out of town. He's in Chicago, and he comes back on Friday. So I can actually wrap his gifts, which is great. So I have for him a couple of different glassware. So these are like fancy crystal champagne flutes. These are martini glasses, and then these ones honestly are kind of for me, but these are like coupe glasses, or noblesse, I don't know, but they're like fancy glasses. He doesn't really have hobbies. He is so hard to shop for. So I asked him kind of to give me a few ideas, and this is one of them. So I went with it, and I was able to buy these 3. These are all sets of 2, and I got them all on Black Friday with like a 15% discount. So that was awesome to get a little bit of a deal there. So I'm going to start by wrapping his stuff. Okay, so these are the three sets of glassware I got for my boyfriend, and I wrapped them individually but tied them all together. So I'm gonna go put this over by our Christmas tree, and then I'll film the other wrappings. Next, I'm going to wrap this box, which is actually kind of heavy. This is full of things for my boyfriend's nieces. So we just brought home some stuff from Germany when we were there over Thanksgiving. Miko, get out of the way. And so there are 4 glass mugs from the different Christmas markets. We went to 2 of them and had 2 each. There's some paper lanterns. There's some candy that you can't get in the States. And I think that's everything. So there's a lot of goodies in here, and that's for them to share. Quit. Okay, I got their gift wrapped. I had a little shortage of paper, so I had to cut off a little sliver and tape it on the bottom, but all is well. So the last gift I have to wrap is for my dad, and I also need to buy him another gift. So I just got him a couple of like candies and his favorite Queen and cherries. So I'm going to wrap these up, and then tomorrow I will probably go into town and find him something at one of the local shops here. Okay, kind of a weird shape, but I got it, and I just wrote down on it with a Sharpie. So my wrapping for today is done. I'm glad I got this kind of checked off my list. Okay, so I'm going to paint my nails tonight. Tonight is Survivor finale. So I'm going to paint my nails and do a pedicure. But what I was thinking is I would swap out my nail polish bag. So in September, I put this little collection of polishes together. There are a lot of fall shades, but I'm ready to switch it out for wintry shades. So I just pulled my main bucket out with all the different nail polishes, and I'm going to swap them out to have another little curated collection for Christmas and winter. So I will show you what I pick, but first I gotta look through everything. Okay, I think I have my selections here. So let's take a look at them. First of all, I have some like sparkly type shades that I pulled out. So this one from Zoya I love. It's called Crystal. It's got this like light blue with gold shimmer. I have a darker blue from Zoya called Dream with some shimmer in it. This is more like silver shimmer. Got a green with shimmer, so I'll probably use this Christmas time. This is called Logan. And then I have a red shimmer called Blaze. So like I'll probably do a manicure with these two. These are just gorgeous on their own. So I got kind of those. Other shimmers I pulled out though, this is Wet n Wild's All That Jazzy. It's just like a gold glittery shimmer. So this is like a good like neutral. So I can put that there. And then this one's from Butter London, the shade Champers. I kind of just want to see if this is still good. It's kind of like a bronzy shimmer. And then this one is newer to me. This is Nails Ink. This is the shade Bosses Be Like. And this is like a rose gold shimmer. Again, kind of like in the, with New Year's, with like the wintry lights, I like shimmeries. Okay, and then the red that I'm wearing is actually downstairs, so I'm going to keep this in, but this is a Wet n Wild shade. It's just like that classic red. Zoya also makes this pepper, so it's like a deeper red. This is gorgeous, so I'm going to keep this in. This was in the fall, but I want to keep it in. And I got two blues. I'm kind of into the blues, obviously. I've got a couple going on. This is a cream navy. This is the shade Natty, so I think that's pretty. And then also from Zoya, Boy Toy. So this is like a lighter blue, kind of like frosty, icicle-y. So yeah, this is going to be the shade selection, I think, for tonight. So I will do this lighter blue on my fingers, this darker blue on my toes tonight, and the rest of these can go in my little pouch. So there you have it. I just really like switching them out for the seasons. It makes me excited about doing my nails, you know?